Welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. This is Ramachandra. In this video, I am going to discuss about one container object to representing the data in the form of key and value pair of format, that is Hashtable. Concept is, what is Java.util.Hashtable in collection framework. I told you already in the previous videos. Mainly in Java collection framework, we have two types of hierarchies. One is collection hierarchy, another one is map hierarchy. Collection hierarchy always represents the data in the form of value format, whereas map hierarchy always represents the data in the form of key and value format. Basically, Java collection framework added into JDK in the version of 1.2. Before JDK, if you want to represent a data in the form of key and value, we have one legacy class, that is Hashtable. So, before collection framework itself, we have a Hashtable concept. This is existed from JDK 1.0. This is one legacy class. Legacy class means the class which is already existed in the previous version, which is useful for developing some other new classes. Those existing classes we can call as what here legacy classes. The main intention of this Hashtable is represents the data in the form of key and value format. Now, is it allows heterogeneous? Yes. It is allows homogeneous, purely homogeneous data. It allows homogeneous, everything it will support homogeneous. It will allows what here heterogeneous, but it will not allows null values like a tree set and a tree map. Hashtable not allows null values as a key and value also. Not allows null data as a key and value, whereas if you comes to the tree map, we can able to add null as a value, but not key. But here we can't write null as a key as well as what your value in the Hashtable. This is basically synchronized class. The methods which are available in the Hashtable, everything is what synchronized. Then what is the problem? We will get a reliable result, no doubt at all. Outstanding output we will get, but low in performance. So, synchronized means if multiple threads are working on the same Hashtable object, at a time how many threads are going to allow? Only one thread. That means remaining thread in must and should be in wait mode. So, response will coming very late, that is affected to performance. So, to avoiding this problem only, in the JDK 1.2 under the Java collection framework introducing the concept like what here hash map. Okay. Now, let me basically cursor objects we can't apply directly on hash map, tree map as well as linked hash map, but we can apply cursor objects on top of especially enumeration we can apply on top of what here Hashtable. Let us see this. Now, I am creating Hashtable HT equal to new Hashtable, and one more important point is the capacity is what here? The capacity is 11. By defaultly capacity is what here? 11, and the load factor is 0.75. 0.75. Nothing but what is that? 3/4. Nothing but what here? 3/4. Yeah. So, Hashtable. Let me open this one. Yeah. By defaultly capacity is 11 and load factor is what here? 0.75. Now, especially if you are adding elements to the Hashtable, automatically growable. Basically, this is growable in nature. Every collection object is growable in nature. So, when automatically increases, and how much increases? that I am going to show you programmatically. Observe. Now this hash table is going to allows integer data as a key and a string as a value. Now let me write here ht dot put method. I am adding 10 and here I am writing like what here a. Here I am writing like what here a. Now let me add elements Control C, Control V, Control Z. Now let me take values like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Value may be duplicate, not a problem. B, keys must and should be unique, otherwise it will not allow the duplicate. F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Now after that I am printing what here HT data, HT. Now observe here, let me take breakpoints, let me use debugging mode to show internals of hash table, how the data is stored into the hash table. Mainly hash table order is not preserved and avoiding duplicate also. So global in nature, avoids duplicate. This duplication will be calculated on top of what here based on keys, okay, and order is not preserved. So like this some information we have related to hash table. Let me execute this program in the debugging mode, debugging as Java application. Okay, save it. Let me executing. Now hash table object created. Initially, see threshold is what here 8. So what is the meaning here is? What is the meaning here is? Whenever we adding 9th element, automatically hash table will be global. So how much global? Observe. Now first element I added. First element I added. Once we added first element, what is the 10? 10 by 11. 10 modulus of 11. Then what is the index position we got? 10 we got. That's why the element will be placed in the where 10th index position. Already we seen this type of explanation around 3 or 4 times in my previous videos. Please go through those videos, especially what is that hash map and hash set as well as tree set. In all this information I give you, this explanation I given you a lot about this explanation I given a lot in my previous videos. Next one, I added second element, and the second element is what here 20. Second element is what here 20. That will be placed into where 9. 20 modulus of 11. Remainder is 9. That's what element will be placed in the 9th index. C 20 and 30. 11 2s are 22. Remainder is what here 8. That element will be placed into the where 8. Like this, elements will be placed into hash table memory. Nothing but those memory locations technically called as what here buckets. So if the same memory matched with the two objects, then what happen here? Same bucket matched with the two values. So those values, basically this representation is comes under what here linked list representation. Linked list representation. So one value is available in the one node, another value is available in the another node. One node will be linked with what here? Another node. Okay. Now let me add how many elements I added. Let me go with 4 elements I added. 5, 6, 7 I added. See, up to my index position is what here 10 only. Let me add 8th element also. Yes, still my index position is what here 10 only. Let me add 9th element. Once we adding 9th element, see the beauty, automatically it will be double. So to showing this one only I didn't mention here. So whenever we adding 9th element, hash table become doubles. Become what here? Double. Nothing but hash table will get the capacity like what here? See, double plus 1, 22, 0 to 22 means, 0 to 22 means totally how many index positions? 23 buckets we got. So 0 to 22 means totally what here? 0 to 22 means total buckets are what here? 23. So this is the internally the data will be stored in where here? Hash table. In different index position will selected based on that hashing, like what is that, given element, given object hash code modulus division by size. What is the size of the hash table here? 11. We will get one index position, that index position will add it to what here, that in that index position the object will be added. And also I repeated one more time, if same bucket will comfortable for two objects, one object will linked with what here? Another object, and referenced with the another object by using what here? Linked list concept again. So every bucket is designed by using what here again? Linked list concept. So let me try to write, this is string. Okay, this is what exactly hash table internals. Let me add all the elements once more time. Yeah, leave it. Let come back to our program. I'm deleting. Now I don't want to use here generic. Up to now I didn't talk about anything related to generic concept. Once we completing all these concepts, again we will go for generic separately. Now I'm adding hd dot put what I'm writing here, ram, and here I'm writing like 1 2 3, and let me compile again, let me execute the program, no problem at all. So what happened here? We can write heterogeneous keys as well as we can write heterogeneous values also, but we can't write, already I told you, we can't write null as a key. We will get what here? Java.lang.null pointer exception, as well as we can't write hd dot put here I'm writing like Vikram. Now here I'm writing like null, here I'm writing like what here? Null. So most of the people knows hash table doesn't allows null value as a key. Very few people knows null not allows by hash table as a value also. Okay, this is the information related to hash table in Java collection framework. I hope you understand this video. For more videos, please subscribe Naresh IT channel. Thank you.